Hello everyone, in this short tutorial you will see how to fill out the grade formats for Smartchoice. Starters level 1, level 2 and level 3. In your personal folder you have a folder tagged with your name and the word grades. In there you have the quizzes grades and the progress test sheets. To fill out the progress test 1, you need the attendance list, the homework grading, quizzes grading, and the grades of the progress test 1 of the 3 units. In the attendance list, you can see an average PT1 column of each of your students. You will put this average on the progress test sheet. In the quizzes grading, there is a tab for homework. You will be able to see an average PT1 column of each of your students. You just have to copy it to the progress test sheet. That homework is that they have been practicing online. The staff fills out those columns for you. Ask your students to make sure if they are registered on the platform in the correct class. In the same format, quizzes grading, you will find the average of the 3 quizzes. Remember that the third quiz was only practice. All you have to do is copy this average of each student in the progress test sheet. Finally, you have to fill out this column test using the progress test 1 grades that they got. The average of the progress test 1 is generated automatically. It's important to add notes of each student. Those notes help to the staff to see their progress. You can write some areas for improvement. Thanks for watching.